Good morning! This is Escala Tagaytay Restaurant. I'm Joshua May Ramirez. How may I help you?
Hi, can I make a table reservation, please?
Before we proceed to your reservation, may I know who's on the line, please?
Mr. Mark Melvin Tumbaga.
Okay, Mr. Tumbaga, should I make this reservation under your name?
Yes, please.
Okay, when do you want to make the reservation?
Just for tonight.
And for how many person and for what time, sir?
Just for one person at 8 o'clock in the evening.
Noted, sir. Would you like a smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking.
Non-smoking. And can I get your contact number, sir, so I can call you ahead of time if there's changes or concerns regarding to your reservation?
Sir 991-498-0308.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Tumbaga. Can I repeat your table booking?
Okay.
Mr. Tumbaga, you're having a table reservation tonight at 8 p.m. in the evening under your name, sir, and in non-smoking area. Is that right, sir?
Yes.
Okay, your table reservation has been made. Thank you for calling Escala Tagaytay Restaurant and we look forward in welcoming you.
Thanks.
My pleasure. Good evening, sir. Welcome to Escala Tagaytay Restaurant. May I know if you have any reservation under your name?
Yes, I have made a reservation in the name of Mark Melvin Tumbaga.
Okay, would you please wait a moment and I'll check your name on our reservation list.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Tumbaga, follow me and your table is ready. Please face it.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. May I assist you with your table napkin, sir?
Yes, please.
Okay. And please make yourself comfortable, sir, and I'll be back to present the menu. Excuse me, sir. Here's our menu for your selection. These are your choices for your appetizers, soups, salads, and main dish, and also for your desserts and drinks. And for our chef's specials, we have a peppered US tenderloin, and for my recommendation, may I suggest a aged US prime ribeye for it is one of our best sellers. And I'm sorry to inform you, sir, that in this evening, our beef carpaccio is temporarily unavailable. Okay, sir, if you don't mind, may I ask if you have any food allergies or food restrictions or special diets?
None.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir, please make yourself comfortable and I'll be back to take your order whenever you're ready. Please excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I fill your glass with purified water?
Sure.
Okay, thank you, sir. May I excuse myself for a couple of minutes? Excuse me, sir. Are you ready to place your order?
Yes. Can I have some order of salmon carpaccio for my appetizer? And for the soup, may I have some chicken and mushroom soup?
Okay.
And the Caesar salad? And for my main dish, can I have the aged US prime ribeye? And one cheesecake for my dessert?
Okay, sir. Would that be all, sir?
Yes.
If I may, sir, may I suggest a bottle of Beringer Chardonnay, a Californian wine with a bright citrus and honeyed apricot profile that will definitely complement with your salmon carpaccio, chicken mushroom soup salad, and your Caesar salad.
If that's so, yes please. May I have a bottle of that?
Okay, sir. How about a glass of Cabernet Sauvignon of Beringer, a Californian wine as well? The sweet vanilla and richness of the oak flavors with the hint of spice is a great pair of your aged US prime ribeye.
Sounds great. May I have a Cabernet please?
Okay, sir, noted. May I repeat your order, sir?
Yes.
For your appetizer, one order of salmon carpaccio, and for your second course, one order of chicken and mushroom soup, and for your salad, one order of Caesar salad and one bottle of Beringer Chardonnay, and for your main dish, one order of aged US prime ribeye, and one glass of Beringer Cabernet Sauvignon, and for your dessert, one slice of cheesecake. Did I get your order correct, sir?
Yes.
By the way, my name is Jushalme and I will be your server for tonight. And can I get the menu, sir? Your order will be served in a while. And may I excuse myself for a couple of minutes to place your order.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your bread.
Thank you.
Is that enough for you, sir?
Yes.
Okay, may I excuse myself for a moment? Excuse me, sir. May I place your silverwares and glassware?
Yes please.
Here's your white wine glass for your Beringer Chardonnay. And here's your salad knife for your salmon carpaccio. And here's your soup spoon for your chicken and mushroom soup. And here's your salad knife for your Caesar salad. And of course, your dessert fork for your cheesecake. And here's your salad fork for your salmon carpaccio. And another salad fork for your Caesar salad. And of course, your dinner fork for your main dish and your steak knife for your main dish. Excuse me for a moment, sir.
Yes.
Good evening, sir. Can I place your wine basket here so I can introduce to you your white wine?
Yes please.
Thank you, sir. Here's your white wine, a Beringer Chardonnay. It came from the vineyard of California, a vintage wine since 2016 with 13.5 alcohol content. Here's your cork, sir. May I pour your white wine glass
Yes
so
please.
you can taste, sir? Okay, sir. Enjoy your white wine. Excuse me for a moment, Mr. Tumbaga. Excuse me, sir. Here's your appetizer. Your salmon carpaccio is a thinly sliced of fresh raw salmon marinated in olive oil, vinaigrette sprinkled with finely chopped herbs, basils, chives, green bell pepper, shallots seasoned with rock salt and crushed black pepper and topped with parmesan shavings. Enjoy your appetizer, sir.
Thank you.
May I excuse myself for a moment? Excuse me, sir. How's the taste of your appetizer?
Delicioso.
Okay, thank you, sir. I'm glad to hear that. Excuse me, sir. Are you done with your appetizer?
Yes.
May I take your plate, sir?
Okay, sure.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me for a moment, Mr. Tumbaga. Excuse me, sir. Here's your soup. Your chicken mushroom soup is a cream-based soup. We use shiitake mushroom that is being sauteed in butter, garlic and finely chopped shallots mixed with chicken stock and chicken strips from the breast part, enhanced with white wine seasoned with salt and pepper to taste. Enjoy your soup, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me for a moment. Excuse me, sir. How's the taste of your soup?
It's good.
I'm glad to hear that, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Are you done with your soup?
Yes.
May I take your soup plate, sir?
Sure.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me for a moment, Mr. Tumbaga. Excuse me, sir. Here's your third course, your Caesar salad. Your Caesar salad is composed of romaine lettuce in anchovy dressing, bacon bits, croutons, then toast properly for even distribution of dressing, then topped with parmesan shavings as it should be done in the classic way. Enjoy your Caesar salad, sir. Excuse me for a moment.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, sir. How's the taste of your salad?
Oh, it's very good.
I'm glad to hear that, sir. Excuse me, sir. Are you done with your salad?
Yes.
May I take your plate, sir?
Sure.
Yes, sir. Excuse me for a moment, Mr. Tumbaga. Excuse me, sir. May I remove your white wine glass as well as your wine bucket to proceed to your main dish?
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Excuse me for a moment, Mr. Tumbaga. Excuse me, sir. Here's your red wine, a glass of Cabernet Sauvignon from Beringer. Enjoy your red wine, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your main dish. Your aged U.S. fried ribeye is one of the best type of steak. We sauteed mushrooms in garlic butter, fried potatoes, and sauteed asparagus. Enjoy your main dish, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me for a moment. Excuse me, sir. How's the taste of your main dish?
Oh, it's very delicious.
My pleasure, sir. me, sir. Are you done with your main dish?
Yes.
Can I take your plate, sir?
Okay.
Sir? Excuse me for a moment, sir. Excuse me, sir. Can I cram down your table?
Yes.
Excuse me for a moment, Mr. Tumbaga. Are you done with your red wine?
Yes.
Can I take that, sir?
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, Mr. Tumbaga, for a moment. Excuse me, sir. Here's your dessert. A homemade cheesecake that comprises cream cheese, eggs, white sugar, all-purpose cream, and vanilla essence, then chilled for 12 hours to attain its perfect structure. Enjoy your dessert, sir.
Thank you.
May I suggest a cup of coffee or tea to go with your dessert, sir?
I preferred a classic American coffee.
Okay. Classic American coffee. Would that be all, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir, I'll be excusing myself to prepare your classic American coffee. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your milk jug and sugar container. And also your classic American coffee. Excuse me for a moment, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Are you done with your dessert and your coffee?
Yes.
Can I take your plate and your coffee?
Sure.
Yes, sir. Excuse me for a moment, Mr. Tumbaga. Excuse me, sir. Here's your bill. Okay, I receive an exact amount. I'll be back for your receipt, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Thank you for waiting. Here's your receipt. We are looking forward for your next visit. Thank you for dining with us and please do enjoy the rest of the evening.
Thank you for your wonderful service.
My pleasure, sir. This way, sir. Thank you, sir.